Podcast, The Ministry of AI. Episode, Can ChatGPT Learn My Life from a Week of First-Person Video? Welcome back to the Ministry of AI. Today we have an intriguing topic that explores the intersection of personal data, wearable technology, and AI. We're diving into a research paper titled, Can ChatGPT Learn My Life from a Week of First-Person Video? By Keegan Harris. Now, as AI advances, so do our devices, particularly those wearable smart glasses and cameras capturing our everyday lives. But the big question is, how much can AI really learn about us from this first-person video data? Harris took on the challenge and wore a camera headset for 54 hours over a week, capturing a genuine slice of his life, from playing Sudoku to cooking dinner. His primary goals were twofold: to see if an off-the-shelf language model could glean meaningful insights about him, and to find out if it could do this without breaking the bank with a $100 budget. Using this real-life footage, he generated summaries of different lengths, from minute-long overviews to daily recaps, and then fine-tuned two models, GP4o and GPT-4o Mini. So, what did these models learn? Surprisingly, GPT-4o was able to correctly identify basic details about Harris, such as where he lives and that he's a PhD student at Carnegie Mellon. It even recognized his age and revealed his love for wrestling. Yet it wasn't all sunshine. Both models hallucinated names and details, like concocting names for friends or even giving incorrect heights and personality traits. This experiment serves as a double-edged sword. While it's remarkable that personal AIs can adapt to our lives and gather information, it also raises critical issues, like accuracy and privacy. Harris suggests that future work should focus on longer data sets and possibly directly incorporating video data for enhanced performance. This research not only opens doors for AI-powered wearables, but also highlights the responsibility we face in ensuring data transparency and accuracy. As these technologies evolve, so will our debates around ethics and AI in personal settings. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this discussion valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To further advance your AI knowledge, dive into our free courses at the Ministry of AI, links in the description below. Until next time, stay curious and informed.